Hello, everybody. Zach and Amanda from Bice Family Tree, and we have a mail call today. We're going to show some items that I did some trades for items for Amanda's birthday, which is today. And first, I want to show what Amy M sent. And Amanda, you can showcase each one of those that you like.
Okay. Isn't it pretty?
And when I asked Amy to make these, I asked her to use Amanda's favorite colors, which are red and blue, and also add some white in there. But the story behind these is she made this one first, but didn't like how it turned out because it had a few ripples in it, which you can see a couple of them, but it really, other than that, is flawless. She wasn't happy with it, so she decided to make a second one. And I asked if she could do it clear because the dark seemed to maybe wash the colors out a little bit, and it just turned out absolutely gorgeous. And then she made the cross, the bloom cross,
I love it.
which has beautiful blooms on the base, and it is just, I don't know what she does. It's like voodoo or
Magic.
witchcraft or something. Like, I'm telling y'all, if they had seen this stuff in the 1600s and she lived in Salem, let's just say it would have been bad news. And she made that other little cross, which is gorgeous. And I'm going to make a nice wooden base for it. And then probably our favorite item is the cat butthole bread tie holder, which is freaking awesome. So thank you, Amy, so much. It's very sweet of you to do all that. Amanda really loves them, and
I love them. Thank you, Amy.
they're gorgeous. And of course, I showed everybody the turtle that Rhinestone Suzanne made.
I love the turtle too. It's so cute.
I mean, it is just flawless. And Amy M actually also helped on this turtle as well, because she guided Rhinestone Suzanne on how to do the resin, and it turned out perfect. So what can I say? I mean, these two ladies are impeccable artists and creators.
They're just beautiful, and clearly thought and care was put into all of these items. I just appreciate it so much. It's very humbling. Art is beautiful.
They did a lot of work. They put a lot of work into these, especially, I mean, this Suzanne put in a lot of time on this turtle and doing things that she'd never done before. And
She named it Lily, but I felt like it was more of a boy, so I named it Leo.
yeah, I texted Suzanne and told her that Amanda, the blue reminds her of her favorite Ninja Turtle, Leonardo, and she wants to name it Leo. And I said, so Lily might be going through a sex change. And Suzanne's like, no, don't sex change my Lily. I said, well, she can always be Lily to us, but Amanda can call it whatever she wants.
Okay.
So,
Or it could be Lilio.
Lilio,
Lilio.
Leoli.
Beautiful.
It is awesome. And I mean, like I said, what Amy does is just nothing short of witchcraft and voodoo. So I don't know if she's got like chicken feet and shrunken heads and stuff around her workspace, but I don't know how she does it.
Even the back side is cool.
Right?
Unless that's supposed to be the front and the other side's
That's the back, that's the front.
I can't tell. They're both so pretty.
They are cool looking. So I want to thank you ladies again for working with me on getting these items made for Amanda for her birthday. She is really thankful, and so am I. And if y'all aren't subscribed to Amy M and Rhinestone Suzanne, links are in the description. Y'all know what to do. And definitely check them out. Show them some support because they deserve it. So, that being said, love you guys. Y'all take care, and hopefully we'll be moved out into the new house by the 25th. Already got the mover scheduled, so the next video I do will probably come from the new house or the Bronco when I get it running. So, thank you again, Amy. Thank you, Suzanne. Y'all are awesome. We love y'all.
Love y'all.